Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today I'm going to give some short responses to questions that I fielded at a teleconference. Before I get to that, if you would like to speak with me or ask me any questions, please go to callfrankbruno.com. So I was scheduled for a public workshop today to be held in the community room in Jackson Heights, Queens. And I had people registered for today, but midweek I decided to postpone this meeting for some future date, maybe May or June, right? This is March 14th, and maybe April, May, June, but more likely June, reschedule it. So what I offered as an alternative approach to the delivery of public information, I sent all of the registered attendees a telephone link for a free conference call. And this morning I spoke for just about a half hour. I gave some information and I fielded some questions. So I did speak about the usefulness of a power of attorney and a healthcare proxy and a HIPAA form. Right? I think in these times, those documents may be very helpful for a family member to have for persons, everyone, but persons at risk within the family, right? And we think that that's people with a compromised immune system or 60 or older, right? All of the recommendations that we're seeing on the news, and sometimes the information changes, right? So we think that it's given by breathing in the air of someone else, but we're washing our hands, right? Because we're told that's important, and we're told not to touch our face. Because there might be receptors that could absorb it. I don't know what the science is behind that, but it certainly makes sense to listen that we should practice hygiene. You go into an office setting, wash your hands. You go into someone's home or even your own home, wash your hands. Right? It makes sense. Now, even in these times, I'm still fielding questions about division of assets between family members. And, I fielded a couple of different questions like that. And it caused me to think, one of the invisible reasons, one of the reasons that is not immediately apparent as to why a trust is beneficial is because it eliminates or significantly reduces the period of time after the death of a loved one to the final distribution of all the assets. The settling of a trust is weeks or a few months as compared to many months and years of settling a probate and settling the assets of an estate. So that's a good takeaway for that. If you'd like to speak with me, if you have any questions for me, please take a look at my website, frankbrunolaw.com, or to schedule a telephone call or an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you.